Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll be teaching you how to sign up on Finmarket website. So all you do is just go to the login button, click sign up. Then you have to enter your first name, last name, email, select country, your code, phone, password, and password verification. Then click I am over 18 years old and I have read, understood and accept the following terms and conditions, privacy policy and risk disclosure. So I'm going to end the video right here. You can subscribe to my channel below, comment down below, like this video. Don't forget to go to the Coins website to find more information about the Bitcoin.